Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishauna, and for this video I'll be attempting to do the rubber band method on a lace front wig. Now, as you can see from the wig that I'm applying right now, the front portion is a bit loose, and that's normal for most lace front wigs. So what I'll be doing is attaching a elastic band or rubber band, whichever you like to refer to it as, to the back portion of this wig so that it can be able to fit a bit more snug. Now I'm measuring out the piece of elastic band that I intend to use from ear to ear, ensuring that it is a bit snug or it has some stretch to it. And this is the amount that I need. I normally cut it and then I burn it to get rid of the frayed ends. Now, using a needle and thread, I proceed to sew each end of the elastic band to both sides or either sides of the wig which are close to the ear tab portions. After I was finished attaching the rubber band to the back, I removed the lace at the back portion of the wig and I proceeded to add foundation to the lace at the front of the wig so that it would be able to match my complexion a bit better. And I also adjusted the straps at the back so that the wig would be a better fit for my head. Now, to apply the wig, I flipped the wig over into like a bowl type of position and ensured that the front portion was facing towards me, and I proceeded to put on the elastic band portion of it first, and I ensured that it was comfortable, and then I pulled back the wig and push the comb at the back of the wig under the stocking cap that I'm wearing. And as you can see, the wig is a bit more snug or a tighter fit than it was initially or at the first part of this video. It's so snug that even the lace part got stuck underneath the wig. So as you can see here, I'm just adjusting the wig to my liking. I then went ahead and removed the lace portion at the front of the wig, and I used some mousse because I see that in most videos persons use mousse to kind of set the front portion of the wig. So this is the one that I decided to use, and I kind of slicked down the front hairs or the baby hairs at the front, and then I went ahead and tied it down with a stocking foot. I'm always using what I have on hand, so yeah. So, and then I went ahead and used a hot comb to kind of press out the wig so that it could lay a bit better or flatter, and then I went ahead and I flat ironed it. So basically what I have to say about this method, as you can see here, the front portion, it's a bit tighter and it blends a bit better, but as for the sides, you could use got to be glued freeze spray at the sides to kind of get it a bit more snug at the ear tabs, but I decided not to do that. So if it is that you need to wear your wig for like a day and then take it off at the end of the day, this method would be good. This method does offer some level of security, so you wouldn't have to be wasting time to, apply glue every week or every couple of days. You can just grab your wig and put it on with this method. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below, It's free. Hit the subscribe button as well, and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.